Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? Hope you're doing well. So welcome back on Flutter series. So today I'm talking in English because my many viewers from my Facebook page, and they are not from Pakistan and they are from foreign. So for this case I'm using English language. So we're gonna start to make our first project. So this project will be based on our previous lectures, so what we have learned before, and the project name is Exploring Pakistan. This will be a dummy application because we didn't have covered logic lectures, backend lectures. We have just covered some lectures, so on behalf of that we will just make a dummy project, a dummy application, just UI application. So this is based on our previous lectures. So, and here I have created a project, and these are the images which we will use here, and these are some fonts, and I have also initialized them in pubspec.yaml file. So here I made a project. So here we have a scaffold widget. So inside a scaffold widget we will have our body. In the body I will create a column widget, and inside column widget we will have a children, and inside children we will add an image. So we know how to add image. If you don't know, just follow my previous lecture. I will give that link on my description. So here we have assets and photos and gpp.png. This is our image path. So you can see here's an image. So and we will add a text widget here, and first of all we will add a size box. What is size box? Size box is just we use for gapping. When we need some gap between two widgets, we will use sized box. So we will use height, and height I will be giving 20, and we have to give a comma here. And after size box I will create a text widget. Here we will do book your ticket. So after this we will again add size box. We need a gap on height, so we will do this 30. And after this you can see there's a mistake. Here's a mistake. We didn't use comma, and when we hot reload you can see the changes. So style this text widget. So style text style. Inside text style we will have a font size. We'll give it to 20, and we have a font family, and from font family we will use this cheese. So you can see the changes. We will create icons of transport system. So we will just make container. We will give it them a width of 100, and height of 100, and we will have a child. In child we will use card widget, and for giving shadow we will use elevation, and we'll give it 4 pixel. And in child we will have icons dot airplane. There's no air. Okay, airplane mode active. I think it will be good. Yeah, it is good. So we have made a mistake here. We have to wrap this container into a row. We have lots of icons, so we use wrap with row widget. So here we will increase this size. We'll do it to 50 will be good. Yeah, 50 is good. I think now, I think 40 will be good. Yeah, it's looking better now. So we will wrap this widget into padding. So we will have some padding from left side. Yes, you can see it. Now we have to copy this all padding widget. We have to paste this one, and 4 to 5 times we will paste this, and after pasting this we will have lots of uh, boxes of icons. So it will show us an error of overflow. So what we will do, the row widget. We will wrap this row widget into single child scroll view widget. So we will do this single child scroll view widget, and its scroll direction, we will do it axis dot horizontal. Axis dot horizontal. So it will be now good. So you can see this is scrollable, and we will just we will change the icons. So here we have airplane active mode, and here we will have a train. Yes, and here we will have a bus if it is bus. I think bus is not available. So bus alert is, so we do this one. Yeah, you can see, and here we will use many other car. We can use whatever we want. So we are using car rental here. So you can see this type of our UI. So what we will do, we will do now another text widget. We will make another text widget. So we will just here type text. In text widget we can write anything, but we are writing explore Pakistan. So after this we will take a row here. Inside row we have children's, and inside children's we will take a container. So inside container we have width of 380 will be good. And we have a height here. Height will be 200. It's enough, I think. And we have a child here. In child we will pass an image. Assets, we will give a path of our images. So assets, and then we have a photos, and then we have, they are all images. We can see here isp.png and many more. So we use isp.jpg. So here we have a scrollable. We have to make scrollable this row. So we will use single child scroll view widget again, and for this we will again do this scroll direction horizontal, axis dot horizontal, and we have to do this. We have to do some padding on this container. So we will do this one, and after saving, let's see the changes. So you can see the changes. We will need more gap, and we will need also styling of this text widget explore Pakistan. So what we will do, we will just do it here. Style text style. We have font family. We will give it cheese, and for font size we will do it 20. And here we also need a sized box. size box of height we will give it to 40, no, 30 will be better, and we will have a comma here. Let's hot reload this one, sorry, and you can see the changes. So here our image is not filling the whole container, so for this we will use fit box fit dot cover. So now this will, yeah, it is good now. So I think we are missing a size box here for gapping, so we will use sized box and give it height of 40 pixel. I think it will be now good. Yes, it's much better now. And what we will do, we will copy this padding. We will copy this padding and paste it 2-3 times. So I have pasted this, and I will just change the names of these photos. So we will just hot reload it, so we can see we are good to go here. So this is the project what we are made. So it's not a good project, it's a dummy, but it's based upon what we have learned on previous lectures. So it's all for today. Hope you are enjoyed. If you enjoyed, like the video and subscribe must. Thank you.